was messing around with Green Dolphin Street the other day, and I played these two chords, and I thought, wow, that sounds familiar. And so I thought back to the song Creepin by Stevie Wonder. I think this must have come out in the 70s, 1974. But anyway, it has those nice chords in there, and I thought, well, this would be a good song maybe to share with you all here on YouTube, how to play it. And it's a song that I think you could sing. A lot of Stevie Wonder songs, you don't want to try to sing them because he's just too good. You're just going to sound like shit on him. But this one I think is in a good range. It doesn't go up too high, and he sings it real pure and straight, not a lot of vibrato or any of those little melismas that he puts in all over the place. So anyway, let's take it up to G flat here, and you got to look for the root, put the seventh in, and the suspended fourth, and then just bring that down like that. Okay. I would call this a G flat suspended. They call it B suspended. Whatever. And then it does that like 4 times, and the little bass goes 2, 3, and that's a little foreshadowing of "In My Dreams." The bass plays it there, so nice, good arrangement, Stevie. And then it does that like 4 times, and on this last one, a nice little 2-5, So this time you just move the bass down right along with it, and then jump up here and hit this B flat. We'll call this B flat altered, okay? Because there's the B flat, and then got a sharp 9, flat 13. Nowadays they're calling it the sharp 5, but whatever. And there's our chord, and right into E flat minor. I can hear you sighing. C flat major 7th. Don't get freaked out by these chord symbols, because when you're in the key of G flat, it's just proper to call that. It's in the key signature. This note is C flat. See, so you got to go with that. And then we have a really nice thing here. Okay, so very slowly now. We've got the full chord here. I'm just going to move the bass and the soprano in parallel. Almost parallel, I guess. That's a whole step, that's a half step. So we're moving the same direction anyway. And then we're going to hit this E flat. And it pretty much sounds like a pure E flat to me, but the chart's got E flat 7th, so maybe that's there. And then kind of a similar thing here. All right, the harmony of Stevie Wonder. I mean, take a song like Overjoyed, or, even You Are the Sunshine of My Life. I mean, where does he come up with these chord progressions? Stevie Wonder is a musical genius. So watch out, that's, we got parallel motion here, don't we? And then D major 7th. Well, they got that 13 there for. Then we're back to the head. And it repeats that. Now on those, on that first second ending, when I was just telling you about it, when we hit that B flat altered, there's this little thing written in the chart. All right, that's totally irrelevant. I mean, that's just a little background thing. You can barely hear it anyway. I wouldn't worry about that. Just hit the chord solid. If you want to play something, play a little something on that chord. But the notes there are just black keys right there. So if you want to do it. All right. Now down here on the verse, when we get to the first ending, it's kind of the same thing. And there it is again. So like I say, leave it out. Now, the second ending of the verse, of the A section, I listened to this like 10 times before I said, okay, the chart is right. Because I was thinking it was like, and I could still hear this, and I thought, well, that's just got to be B flat again, but he's hitting the F. But it's not. It really is an F7th. And check it out. If you, all right, now, I was playing D before, so if I put the D down there, I've got this. But look, if I play F7, that's an F7 altered as well. I don't know what the transformation is. Let's see, flat 13, 7, sharp 9. On F7, it's flat 9, sharp 9, and flat 13. So, all altered tensions or extensions or color tones. I wish they'd just standardize the musical vocabulary, don't you? All right, so we hit that F7, and, that should go to a B flat. It does. When I sleep at night, baby, baby. Don't let your voice waver, go, I got no voice today, but baby, keep it pure, yeah. Don't worry about that grace note. And then the same thing again. Okay, E flat 6, you could hit A flat 7. All right, and I'm just thinking about the song Overjoyed. It has lots of major chords with the third and the bass. Whenever you have that, you can maybe play the mu chord. That's where you add like a second to the chord. So there's B flat, that's the second. Don't worry about the 11 because that's the melody. If you're playing the melody, you're fine. That to me sounded a little bit more like a suspended chord or something. And then here, I wouldn't try to play a whole E chord there. I think I would just do like the regular altered chord that we did a while ago. You know what? Let's just bring up Stevie for just a second there and see what he does. I sleep alone in my fantasy. Yeah. And then we got another verse, same as before. And that's just it on the outro. He's doing this. My dreams. Got that nice quarter note triplet in there, which the bass also plays along with, and probably the bass drum gives a little kick there too. And, that's just a cool detail of the song. Yeah. It's a common drum beat to go boom, boom like that. And it's common in bossa nova music as well. The bass often doesn't do that, but the drums do it. So if you're playing solo piano, put it in. It's fine, even if you're doing the Girl from Ipanema. Don't put it on every single beat, but, put it in there when you need it. Okay.